4 ways you can use side hustles to increase your income. A side hustle can increase your income and enable you to use the knowledge and skills that you've built over a lifetime. Fiverr is one of the growing sites that provides gig opportunities to individuals with graphic design experience. Fiverr uses freelance designers located worldwide to provide low-cost marketing services to customers. If you have experience creating logos, websites, or understand SEO, Fiverr is looking for you. Canva. With Canva, you can create social media posts across multiple platforms. If you are a whiz with social media, graphic design, and have a creative eye, many small business owners would be interested in your skills. Web design. Do you maintain your employer's website at work? Well, maintaining your employer's website provides you with the knowledge, skills, and abilities where you can do it for others. You can do this for $500 to $1,000 per build, and then you can start blogging. Writing is a great way to share your knowledge with the world. Picking a topic that you know a lot about, that you're passionate about, can make an impact on your audience. How do you make money blogging? You make money by increasing your revenue stream with ads and affiliated marketing that you can offer on your website. To find out more, visit me at Harris Financial Coaching. Thanks for joining me.